Hello everyone, this is me Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Bing Ads, Facebook Ads certified advertising professional as well as I run my own Google Partner company. In this video, I'm going to share one of the best tips for 2023 for Google Ads because I've been working from with Google. I got my first SEO certification back in 2005 and it's 2023 10 June, so around 17 18 years of experience with Google Ads, Facebook Ads, SEO similarly. So in my opinion, if you ask me on what is a best number one tip you need to follow for Google Ads in 2023, what it is. So because I was thinking what it should be for you to tell you, and I thought either it should be the quality score, which I emphasize a lot. Like, quality score is everything, because in case if you optimize quality score, you can pay less than 10 times of the price your competitors are paying, and that could be the number one tip. But that is not the number one tip, let me tell you, to be honest. Is it, headlines, interesting headlines, amazing headlines, attractive, more CTR, catches the attention of the user. Yeah, that is a good thing, but that is not the one thing I'm going to tell you in this video. Okay, what it should be then? If it's not the quality score, if it's not the key headline, is it the keywords? No. Yeah, I know that the keyword is very important, keyword research is very important. I emphasize on the keyword intent. You need to look out at the keyword intent, but that is not even the most exciting part of this video. Then I thought about landing pages, because if what could be the best company to do if your landing page is worse? What could you know the best landing page could do if your product offer is not good? So competitors, you need to look on your competitors. That is also important, but not competitors. Landing page is also very important. I emphasize a lot. I have discussed in different of my videos where you don't need to scroll much and give the maximum information without scrolling. Amazing landing page with CTA, call to actions, color combinations, psychological actions. I emphasize a lot that, but landing page is not the important part. Again, that is important, but this is not the top tip I'm going to give you. I'm going to give you a small tip, but that small has a huge impact on many people campaign. And why? It's because most of the people unknowingly ignore that small thing, but that small thing is going to cost you a lot. So what is that? Are you excited to listen that? So stay with me, because I'm going to tell you the most important tip to be followed in 2023 for Google Ads, and that is yet a small interesting feature, but that is you need to not look out lightly, and that is I'm going to tell you over here, and that is this: recommendation things in your Google Ads. Now, you may be thinking that the recommendation panel is huge. They are saying me is plus 7% for repairs, bidding and budget 5%, keyword targeting 4%, ads and assets 16% to make it nearby 80-90%. No, unfortunately, that is not the thing. What I'm going to tell you, that never take it lightly, because if you take it lightly, they are going to automatically auto apply these recommendations on your account, which can cause you huge money losses. Now the recommendations are system generated. They are not bad, but they need a manual and final review from you before being applied. And your running campaign, or your campaign which was about to be turned profitable, can go in loss if you just lose on this aspect. So focus over here. You can see that they are saying to, for instance, like, add dynamic images. That can be trusting, but that is not always necessarily. And you need to look out on your brand. Side links are missing from campaign. Side links are good, but not necessary. Need to understand this thing as well. Add images to your ads. Every ad with images doesn't work well. If that was the case, then why Google started with search ads, where they can only run text based ads? Text based ads are good. I'm not saying that images ads are not good. I say that images can speak 1,000 words. I've been consistently running or advocating for those for Google's display or for remarketing, but that is a different scenario. You need to look out on reach. Now this is a part, extend your reach with Google search partners. No, in major cases I do not recommend to go with this Google search partners unless until it's a brand building campaign. So which is why you need to look out on these things. Not every targeted thing is, they are suggesting is actually beneficial for you. Okay, this can be beneficial. Fix your disapproved site links. You can look around on these things. You can look around on the 4 recommendations and choose either of them. You can remove the redundant keywords, duplicate keywords, but doing auto applying it is going to waste your hard earned optimization which you did on this account. So these are the few of the things which I think that do not focus go with auto recommendations, but rather manually look for recommendations only or for those which you think can benefit you, and also reverse each change in case if you do not find it useful for your account or campaigns. So go with one by one changes and reverse those changes in case if you do not feel it beneficial. If you auto apply all these changes, you are going to forget which one was for you to got beneficial. So which is, and this is also risky even if to apply and test, because that can make your quality score go down if this doesn't work well. So which is why I believe that this is the number 1 tip you need to follow to optimize and make more money out of Google Ads. I hope you like this video and make sure to subscribe to my channel. In case if you are looking for my services, the details are in the description of this video. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and bye bye.